Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Ratneshwar Mahadev, the 300 to 500 years old historic Shiva temple situated on the Tatari Ghat near Manikarna Ghat on the banks of Ganga river in Varanasi, also known as Kashi. But the age for temple is still not sure. According to the local people, due to this temple being cursed, neither a devotee worships here nor offers water to Shivling, which is placed in the temple. People here believe that if worship is done in the temple, then the house starts to get destroyed.
The temple of ancient Ratneshwar Mahadev has been tilted side by side for almost 300 years. Ratneshwar Mahadev temple has a higher tilt than Italy's famous Leaning Tower of Pisa, which was built in 173. The Leaning Tower of Pisa leans at 4 degrees, which is less in comparison to the 9-degree tilt of the Ratneshwar Mahadev temple. Some reports claimed the height of this temple is 74 meters, while Pisa is 57 meters high. Many people say that the temple ghat collapsed and leaned backwards after not being able to bear its weight. However, before the 1860s, the temple was supposed to have stood straight and no concept of leaning was found. As per some evidence and paintings of the ghats from the early to mid 19th century, this architectural marvel is mostly visible in Ratneshwar Mahadev and is distinctly unique from other temples. The temple is built at a low level. Interestingly, the water level can reach the Shikhar part of the temple. However, during monsoons, no rituals are performed in this temple. Voices of prayers and worship are not heard in the rainy season. One cannot see and hear bells ringing. Some people also believe that it is a cursed temple and offering prayers can cause something bad in their house. Ratneshwar Mahadev temple remains submerged in water for 6 to 8 months. During floods, water reaches the summit of this temple, which is over 40 feet high. Silt accumulates inside the temple after the flood. Despite the temple being crooked, no one knows the secret of how it stands today. According to Varanasi revenue records, the temple was constructed between 1825 and 1830. According to the regional archaeology officer, it was built in the 18th century. Priests settled around the ghat believe that Ratneshwar Mahadev was established in the 15th century. In March 2016, stones weighing nearly 50 kg from the peak fell on the ground after lightning struck, damaging part of this ancient temple.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.